Before we even talk about gear, let me hit you with a statistic that should make every driver rethink what they keep in their trunk. Did you know that more than half of fatalities involving stopped vehicles happen when someone outside the disabled car gets hit by passing traffic? That's terrifying, and it proves something most drivers completely overlook. When your car breaks down, your biggest danger might not be your flat tire, dead battery, or overheating engine. It might be other drivers simply not seeing you in time. That's exactly why a high-visibility safety vest is one of the smartest things you can keep in your emergency kit. Today, we're breaking down the best reflective safety vests you can grab right now on Amazon. We're comparing visibility performance, ANSI safety ratings, durability, pockets, zippers, and overall emergency usefulness. And trust me, our #1 pick gives you something most vests completely fail to offer. Let's jump in. All links are in the description. 6. Dual-Tone Reflective Safety Vest, the Visibility Specialist. Starting at number 6, we have the Dual-Tone Reflective Safety Vest, and this vest immediately stands out because it improves one thing most basic vests ignore: human recognition. Most standard reflective vests use basic silver strips. They work, but during sunrise, sunset, fog, and heavy daylight glare, they can sometimes blend into surrounding environments. That's where this vest gets clever. Its dual-tone reflective strips create stronger visual contrast. That contrast helps drivers recognize your body shape faster, and that matters when vehicles are flying past you at highway speeds. The vest typically uses lightweight polyester mesh construction. That keeps airflow strong during summer roadside emergencies. It also includes practical additions like phone pockets, ID holder slots, utility compartments, and usually a zipper closure. That zipper already makes it better than cheap Velcro options. Compared to standard entry-level reflective vests, this one feels more deliberate. Its biggest strength is simply being harder to ignore, and during roadside emergencies, that's exactly what you want. 5. PeerBasics 10-Pack Safety Vests, the bulk value winner. The PeerBasics 10-Pack Safety Vests takes a completely different approach. This one is all about quantity. You're getting 10 reflective vests for roughly the price of one premium model. That makes this ideal for families, multiple vehicles, volunteer groups, event staff, teen drivers, emergency preparedness kits. The lightweight mesh keeps things breathable, and they're incredibly easy to throw on quickly. That simplicity matters during stressful roadside breakdowns. But there are trade-offs. These typically use Velcro closures, and Velcro tends to wear out much faster than zippers. The overall material also feels thinner than premium options, and storage features are extremely limited. Compared to higher-ranked vests, these aren't built for long-term, heavy-duty job site use. But for emergency trunk storage, they're fantastic value. You can literally stash them everywhere: trunk, glove box, under seats, passenger compartments. For pure quantity at low cost, these are hard to beat. 4. A-Safety High Visibility Vest, the Utility Monster. The A-Safety High Visibility Vest feels like it was designed by someone who lives on highways. This thing is loaded with storage. Its biggest standout feature? The large internal tablet pocket. Yes, seriously, that pocket can hold documents, insurance papers, registration, phone, flashlight, small tablets. That's extremely useful during breakdown situations. You're not dropping critical paperwork on the side of the road. Build quality is excellent. Strong stitching, durable zipper closure, reinforced pockets, breathable mesh, and strong reflective coverage. This usually meets ANSI Class 2 or higher depending on model variations. Compared to the bulk PeerBasics pack, this feels dramatically more premium. And compared to simpler vests, its storage capacity is on another level. If you want your emergency vest to double as a wearable tool station, this one is excellent. 3. JKSafety Reflective Vest, the clean look champion. The JKSafety High Visibility Vest solves a problem most people don't think about until they're kneeling next to a dirty roadside tire. Road grime, oil, mud, brake dust, dirt. Most neon vests look terrible after one. Roadside repair. That's why this vest uses a black lower panel. That lower section hides dirt incredibly well. And that keeps the upper fluorescent sections looking brighter for longer. Smart design, very practical. It also includes tons of pockets, usually 8 or more depending on configuration. That makes it fantastic for carrying phone, tools, flashlights, gloves, documents, portable chargers. The breathable mesh keeps comfort high, and ANSI Class 2 reflective coverage remains strong. Compared to the A safety vest, you lose the large tablet pocket, but you gain better stain resistance. That makes this a fantastic middle ground option. 2. ANSI-compliant reflective safety vest, the reliable workhorse. The ANSI/ISEA reflective safety vest is your classic, dependable option. No flashy gimmicks, no weird extras, just proven visibility. And honestly, that's why it ranks so high. This vest focuses heavily on ANSI compliance. That means reliable visibility standards, strong reflective strip placement, and full 360-degree visibility. It typically includes bright fluorescent material, 2-inch reflective strips, breathable mesh, multiple storage pockets, and durable zipper closures. Compared to cheaper bulk packs, this feels far more durable. Compared to the JKSafety vest, you lose the black, dirt-resistant panel, but you gain maximum full-body fluorescence. That slight visibility advantage helps it rank higher. This is the safest, simple option on the list. 1. XPCARE 2-pack reflective safety vest, the best overall value. Taking our top spot is the XPCARE 2-pack reflective safety vest. And this wins because it perfectly balances everything drivers actually need. Visibility, durability, storage, and most importantly, multiple person protection. That 2-pack matters more than people realize. If your car breaks down and your passenger steps outside to help, now both of you are visible. That instantly makes this better than most single vest options. Both vests typically include ANSI Class 2 compliance, 360-degree reflective strips, zipper closure, phone storage, ID holder, utility pockets, breathable fabric, and lightweight comfort. Compared to the PeerBasics pack, these are far higher quality. Compared to premium single vest options, you get double the emergency coverage. That combination makes this the smartest buy for most drivers, especially families, and especially anyone who frequently travels long distances. This is the vest I'd personally keep in my trunk. Final verdict: Best pure visibility, dual-tone reflective safety vest. Best bulk value, PeerBasics 10-pack safety vests. Best storage, ASafety High Visibility Vest. Best stain resistance, JKSafety High Visibility Vest. Best simple reliability, ANSI/ISEA Reflective Safety Vest. Best overall, XPCARE 2-pack Reflective Safety Vest. And honestly, if you don't own any reflective vests right now, fix that today. Because when your car breaks down at night, being visible could be the difference between inconvenience and tragedy. Drop your favorite in the comments, and if this helped you build a smarter emergency kit, hit like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.